Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. That annoying message that says that your files can't sync to the Steam Cloud. So let's just go step by step and get your games working again. So head over and open up your browser for that, and once you open it up, you can go over to Steam state.us and hit enter. After you reach over here, you can just go ahead and check if the Steam Cloud server is down, because sometime if it is, you just need to wait for a bit and reopen Steam as the issue is on the Steam side. If everything is normal, you can continue to the next step. So you can restart Steam completely. For that, you can exit it from the system tray, or you can go over to Task Manager. And from there, if you find Steam, you can go ahead and close Steam completely. Find Steam, right click on it and select the option of End Task, and reopen Steam and check if the sync error disappears. Sometimes it's just a temporary connection glitch. Apart from that, you can check Cloud Sync settings. So in Steam itself, you can open up Steam, and from there you can go to the Steam settings. Head over to Steam at the top left and select the option of settings from here. And once you open up the settings, you may just go over to cloud option here and select it. And make sure this option of enable Steam Cloud is checked. So if this option is disabled, you just need to click on it in order to turn it on. And that should enable the synchronization for your Steam Cloud. And from here, you can go to your library and right click on the game that you have. And once you do so, select the option of properties. Over the general tab here, and from here ensure that keeping the games in the Steam Cloud is enabled. So if you find that option here, you can just go ahead and enable that option right here, and I'll close this up for now. Apart from that, you can resolve local and cloud conflict. So for that, when you first open up Steam, if you recently played offline, you can choose upload local files. And if you played on another device, you can choose download cloud files. And that way you can back up your saved files manually first and start up the process. And apart from that, you can disable and re-enable the Steam Cloud, and that should reset the sync link. So that is it. That's how you fix the cloud sync error on PC for Steam. One of these steps should get your save syncing perfectly again. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching.